Welcome to this Excel Updates video covering the trim range function. For the project, Microsoft 365 Excel is required. Be sure you are using the most recent version before starting the project. In Excel for Desktop, open the Excel Updates desktop data file.xlsx file. Go to Worksheet D08. The trim range function is designed to remove empty rows and columns from the outer edges of a specified range or array. In this example, we will use the function in column D in a formula that subtracts column C from column B. The resulting blank rows will be trimmed. Click in cell D2 and type equal trim range left parenthesis. The trim range has 3 function arguments, but only the first one is mandatory. Click the column C header to select the column. Add a closed parentheses and then type minus trim range left parenthesis. Click the column B header to select the column. Add closed parentheses to the end of the formula and press enter. Now let's review that trim range function one more time before we leave it. CC is the range in the first trim range function, which examines the entire column C and removes any leading or trailing empty rows. BB is the range in the second trim range function, which similarly examines column B and returns an array of its non-blank cells. Excel then performs the subtraction between the two arrays, which means each non-blank cell in column C is subtracted by the corresponding non-blank cell in column B. Here are the results of the trim range function. Here we added new data in cells A17 to C17, and the trim range formula automatically performed the calculation for cell D17. Okay, that's it. We are done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz. Have a great day.